Yes, students, the next topic we are going to see is about the resolving power of a microscope. Yes, so when you are using the microscope, what happens to the resolving power? The microscope is used to see the details of the object under observation. So whatever object it is that is being observed with the help of microscope, the ability of the microscope depends not only in magnifying the object but also in the resolving 2 points on the object which is separated by a small distance. Okay, so these 2 points which are separated by a small distance, that is said to be the ability of the microscope. Okay, so ability depends not only in magnification, so magnification mattum illa, but also what it does, it also sees with the distance between the two objects. Clear? The radius of the central maximum, this is a formula which you already know. Okay, which is, this formula is very important for deriving with these equations. So r naught, which is equal to 1.22 lambda f divided by a. Okay, so r naught is equal to 1.22 lambda v divided by a. Okay, now in this V is written since because V is equal to F. Okay, so here in the formula we'll be having with the term F, but instead of F we are writing as V in this. Okay, now the next is the formula for magnification. Magnification is given by, if the difference between the two objects is resolved into D minimum, then the magnification is R naught divided by D minimum. Okay, from this if we need the value of D minimum, bringing this m down, so we get D minimum which is equal to R naught divided by m. Substitute this value of R naught here. So 1.22 lambda V divided by AM. Here, what is m is equal to V divided by U, which is the one which you have seen already in the simple microscope, is it not? So substitute the value of m here. So V and V get cancelled. So we get 1.22 lambda divided by u comes to the numerator, so we get 1.22 lambda u divided by a. Okay, here instead of f we are writing as v, and so here instead of u also we are writing as f. Okay, so we get d minimum which is equal to 1.22 lambda, instead of u we are writing as f divided by a. Okay, so this gives a value of d minimum. Yes, and next is on the other side. Okay, next side if you are going to see, we get 2 into tan theta which is equal to 2 into sine beta. Okay, and so this is also equal to what? A divided by f. In the diagram we have here this to be beta, and this side we have a, and this side we have the value as f. From this find the value of tan beta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent, so we are getting a divided by f. Here instead of tan we can also write as sine, because here the value is very small, so all the angles are equal. Okay, and so from this if you are bringing this to other side, so we get a is equal to f2 into sine beta. Okay, so the equation for d is 1.22 lambda f divided by a. Substitute the value of a here. A is equal to what? F2 sine beta. Okay, so when you substitute this value here, 1.22 lambda f divided by f2 into sine beta. Yes, now the value of f get cancelled, so we get 1.22 lambda 2 sine beta. Here we are considering the refractive index, and so the refractive index is n, and the term n into sine beta is called as a numerical aperture. Okay, so instead of n into beta we are writing as n a. Okay, so d minimum which is equal to 1.22 lambda divided by n a. Okay, so this gives a resolving power of a microscope. Okay, and next is if you have to find the resolving power, which is also given by Rm, which is equal to 1 by d minimum. So we are taking the reverse of this. Okay, so we get 2 into Na divided by 1.22 into lambda. So this is the equation which we got for the microscope. Next is if you have to find for telescope, it is given by r which is equal to 1 by r naught. Okay, so r naught value is the first equation which you have seen, so it is given by a, which is a divided by 1.22 into lambda f. Okay, so this gives your dissolving power.